to put this wig on. I'm gonna take it off, boom, boom, and I'm going to reapply it. It takes just a few seconds just to put it on. Yes, this wig does have combs. I only use the back comb, and that's about it. And boom, easy install, ready to go. So I am gonna curl it, and we're gonna see how that looks. This is probably the thickest wig I ever wore. Like, this hair goes about right to my back. It does have a soft texture to it. I'm absolutely in love because it looks so natural and so good.